Hello and welcome back to Doncaster for part 2. Today we will see services by cross country, Virgin East course, whole trains, maybe some Grand Central but they're having problems, some freight and Trans-Pennine Express and Northern. So the first train to pass through is a freight, a convoy. Convoys of 66s.
Yep, convoy of DB 66s. Going down. Oh no, he's got a tripod.
And Tone Wanker is here, right up there.
Oh, he's on it, he's on it.
And he's with Tone Wanking. And it's 66 144, 66 034 and 66 111. And arriving in now is Virgin East course service to Leeds.
I'm not going to watch this video, it's got Cecil.
Nah.
No.
What's he doing? I'm not even looking. Because I think
Look, you're greasing to HST part down there, we should stand in front of him.
Yeah, sure we. Yeah, let's go, show. His dad's down there, he'll kill me. I've got an idea, what?
and the number is 43305.
I think that's a good idea. Yeah. I think that's
Cost 43, weight, length, width, brake force, RT and maximum speed. And about to leave is 43305 service to Leeds. And on the rear is 43320. Arriving in now is a cross country Virgin East course service to Edinburgh. Couldn't get the thing, but on the rear and on the rear is it 215 and 82237 on the Virgin East course service to London. And on the rear of that is 9119. Departing now is the Edinburgh service, and also departing is the cross country service to Reading. And it's 1220014. And arriving in now is a cross country service to Newcastle. 1220002. And arriving in now is a service to Leeds. HST VTEC service. And it's 43527. And on the rear is 43272. Ganchon Chelsea HST to London King's Cross. And leaving now is the HST service to Leeds. It's going to Leeds.
Whitefield Westgate.
And Leeds.
And Leeds. No, I cannot see your shuffle.
Next train to pass by is the freight service 66197. A nice little two-tone from the driver. Looks like it's stopping. HST with National Railway Museum on the back. HST. And arriving in now is a Virgin East Coast service, but it's a East Midlands complete set, coach and stock. We will see what it is when it departs. And it's 43046 on the front. And arriving in now is a Trans-Pennine Express service to Cleethorpes. And the number is 185134. Oh, President on board. And departing now is the East Midlands full set to Edinburgh, to London's King's Cross, Virgin East Coast service. And on the rear is 43081. And arriving in behind this 158 is a solo convoy 66. Straight line is 66. And the number is 66,565. And a nice little wave from the driver, thank you there. And arriving in now is a Virgin East Coast service to Leeds, calling at Westgate, Newark Westgate, Wakefield Westgate and Leeds. And a nice little wave from the driver. On the rear is 8225. And arriving in is a East Midlands train from Lincoln terminating this station, and it is 158788. And about to pass now is a Grand Central HST. I won't be able to get the numbers, but nice little one going from the driver there, thank you. And arriving in now is my favourite livery of the East Coast, Virgin East Coast service. It's a Flying Scotsman. And I will get the numbers as it departs. And departing now is my favourite livery, as I said, to the Flying Scotsman, with a one tone from the driver. And as soon as this leaves, I will end the video here. 82,125, I think. 205. And on the rear is the nameplate one. Is it Skyfall or something? No, it's Sir Bobby Robson on the rear, which is 91109. I will end my video here. Thanks for all watching. Today I was joined by DB Trains, MTV videos, and a few others. My next video, I'm not 100% sure where it will be. I will let you know in future. So that's all from me at Doncaster. Thank you and goodbye.